Hey guys, how was doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. Well, in this video we will be taking a in-depth look on the latest unofficial AICP OS version 13.1, which is based on the Android version Oreo 8.1. Again, this is unofficial build, so in this in-depth look I am just telling the features and specification of the AICP OS and some problems that I faced while installing and right now. So let's video. First of all, this is AICP, which stands for Android iSchool project. In earlier 2012, this project is developed based on the AOKP, which is known as Android Open Kang project. But currently the AKOP development is not there. So this build now created based on the Lineage OS and with some features of Android open source project. This AICP builds is not like an AEX or Lineage OS or some other ordinary ROM. It's little bit different and unique. The first impression of this ROM was cool, like the name of the ROM. The power on animation, the home screen and the status bar. I like pretty much most of the things. It's cool. And one cool thing I noticed in the status bar is you can toggle and enable the assistant using this status bar. Also you can do voice search through this and you can get the Google feed using this status bar. This shows how this build is having the bond with Google tools. And the launcher is not the ordinary pixel launcher. Here you have some cool options, like you have the option to show icon label of the app drawer. You have the option to enable the screen down gesture to show the notification. That's helpful for me. I don't know about you, but the icon is fantastic. I like this curved square shape unlike the normal round or drop tier icons. It's cool. As like most of the custom ROMs, this also having the own option in settings called AICP extras. There you have the option to change everything of your mobile. Other than these things, everything is same like every other ROM. Well, now the question, can we use this ROM as a primary daily driver? Well, my answer is not. This ROM is supporting camera, video recording, SIM card signal and most of the things, but the main problem is I can't use the internet or sign in to Google. Whenever I try to open the browser, it's closing. Whenever I try to log into my account, it's not working. That's what. But this problem is only happening on this build. That's why it's unofficial. But this problem will be or can be fixed in soon. So after those entire problems, this ROM is the best development for our device. As the name suggests, it's cool, and thanks to all the developers of this team. They are 5 to 10 guys in the bag to make this ROM possible for this device. It's really appreciable and mentionable. Thanks guys, and I will make the video on this ROM again when it arriving with its full potential. To get updates on latest Android development and review, just do the consider about the subscription. I make this kind of videos every day. Thank you for watching guys. I will see you in my next good one. Moto.